What's up guys? Welcome to the Fitness Idea. Today's video is how to easily do finger push-ups for beginners. Finger push-ups benefits. Please watch the video till the end. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. To do finger push-ups, first of all, spread a mat on the floor and sit on your knees and keep both of your legs behind. Now bend forward and put the entire weight of the body on the finger of your hands. As you see in the video, knees of both feet above the floor and straighten the legs. Now straighten both the hands completely and keep the toes on the floor. In this position, your entire body should be straight. Now slowly bend your hands with the elbow and try to bring the upper part of the body down towards the ground. After coming down, you straighten both your hands again and lift yourself up from the ground as much as possible. The benefits from finger push-ups will be that the finger of your two hands will create a strong